why a independent welder doesn't believe in having a job. I have someone ask me, man, what do you think about having a job? Do you think I should use a job to get on? Oh, yeah, I use jobs to get on. But as an independent welder, I don't believe in working for a company. I work with a company. See, those are two different words. See, you got employees and you got contractors. I'm willing to help you when you need it, when you get behind, or someone you hired at a cheaper price to get this job done. They messed it up 2, 3 times. So now you're willing to pay me or someone that's independent or mobile or an entrepreneur to come in and fix that mistake. That's what I specialize in. And I contract myself to companies for piecework, subcontracting their installs. So when I pull up, if I got a contract with this company to fix whatever, and we got a contract, when I pull up, take off my hog on shirt and I put they shirt on. I fix this install, I put that on, get back in my truck, put back my hog on, and I go. That's what I do, man. See, the way I hustle is unorthodox. And I know it's gonna be like, what? You do what? How can you do that? Easy. You get you an EIN number. You form you an LLC. You get you some insurance on yourself. You get your rig set up. What you specialize in. Everybody specializes in different things. I don't have to have a lot of heavy stuff because I specialize in welding and miscellaneous installation, and I don't haul materials to jobs. That's on the company. The company take the material to the job. I install it. I'm not responsible for their stuff getting to the location. I don't do that. I don't do iron work no more. I contract myself as an iron worker, like to go out and help, but I don't be at iron working jobs. I do miscellaneous metal. I do ornamental installations. I do repairs, pipes, structural, stainless, aluminum, whatever. And that's profits me because I got my AWS certs. I got my OSHA in my pocket. I got my MSHAR in my pocket. You see what I'm saying? So I got the things I need to be safe. I got my boom lift certification. So I'm able to get this independent money. But me personally, I don't believe in a job. And why I don't? Because think of this. I know you yourself, or if you're watching this, you might have done this. When you're working for a company, that company is like your Lord is over you, and you feel like you have to run everything by them, even your personal life. You know, I have seen dudes on the job ask to use the bathroom. You ask to use the bathroom? Don't you have to use the bathroom? But you got to ask somebody else to say, oh, it's okay to use the bathroom. I don't believe in that. If I got to use the bathroom, I'm going to go use the bathroom. I'll be like, hey, I'll be back to use the bathroom. You know, I'm going to notify you and let you know my presence. But some people take things too far. And then jobs, you got the bosses that have a bad day and they want to come through. Man, I didn't see people get talked so bad on jobs and they accept it. Well, you know, I'm getting that check, man. Forget them. I'm not gonna let you degrade me for no money. Like me personally, you're not gonna degrade me. You're not gonna talk to me down. It's just not gonna happen. You see what I'm saying? You're gonna you're gonna talk to me like you want me to talk to you. That is off the top, and that's why I don't have a job because me being a black man, you know, a lot of these white foremen that I have run across, even in Phoenix, you know, they have an issue with this, with me being a black man, and then being independent like I am, and being confident in what I do. And I had to pull some coattails. And to be honest with you, out of all the ones I have met, there's only one welding foreman that I have networked in the valley that I actually like. Cool guy. We got along, got some stuff done. But we had opposite of opinions. But my work ethics was impeccable. And regardless if he liked me or not, the white guy and the Mexican guy that he had working for him wasn't producing like I was producing. So you can hate me all you want to, but he's like, shit, he getting shit done. You see what I'm saying? So even a person's opinion about you can change once they see your work ethics. So that's why I don't believe in a job, because I don't believe in kissing nobody's ass. You know what I mean? After I get out of prison, bro, prison opened my eyes to a lot of things. That in order for me to be free as a black man in America, I have to be independent. I need my own business. I got to have a independent hustle. I have to be free from the system. That's how I be free. But if I got a job in America, if I'm working for someone, if I'm paying taxes as an employee, then to me, I'm still in prison. I'm still locked up. So in order for me to be free, truly free, I had to work for me. I had to figure out, I don't mind having a chain of command because when I get work orders, contracts, I have to abide by the guidelines. I have to go by the prints to make sure I don't get sued, make sure the weld inspections go through, everything is good. So I'm fine with that. But, I'm just not fine with kissing nobody's ass or someone coming in, jacking their pants up and feel like when they come to the job site, you got to run. I don't do that. I done been on job sites when foremans and different other people walk up, people act like they busy. Whatever I was doing when you pulled up, that's what I was doing. So if I had the time to break it, I was chilling. That's what I'm doing. You ask me what I'm doing, I'm chilling. I just finished doing that. I'm not gonna take off running. I don't do that shit. You know what I mean? But I have seen foremen, I have seen lead man employees, and I'm just not with that. And even in the ironworking field, I didn't see people run and bustle trying to, please people and get hurt. And then the people laugh at them. Oh, so and so got hurt. Ooh, I told him he was stupid. He should have did it anyway. Like, man, folks don't give a fuck about us, you know, as workers. They'll work you, and if you get hurt, they're gonna replace you with someone else. And that don't matter what color you is. You know what I'm saying? They don't give a fuck. You know what I mean? They gonna hire someone, and say that, oh, we're a team player. We give you insurance. We do this. We do that. And they being able to do things you can't do. So I said, hey, if I'm gonna be able to enjoy trips and have money and do what I want, I'm not gonna let a job control me on the job and off the job. They'll control you with while you on this job. You can't take what you want to take. So I got a medical marijuana card. I can take hydro pills with oxycontin and heroin base and all this meth based pills on the job, but I can't have a medical marijuana card. Man, fuck a job. You see what I'm saying? But doing my contracts, it don't matter. You see what I'm saying? So it's like a thin line right there. And so to me personally, that's why I'm not with that, because you're not gonna tell me when I'm at your job, I'm clean, I'm sober, I'm doing what I need to do, even though I didn't see them not clean and sober on medication. You see what I'm saying? But I'm gonna do what I need to do. But when I'm home, I'm doing what I want to do at home. You know, me smoking at home is not gonna go to work and do something ridiculous. You know what I'm saying? But that's a job. That's the way they think. So that's why me personally, you know, I believe in doing my own thing, being independent, and I believe in assisting though. And that's what I specialize. That's what Hog Welding specialize in. When we gonna have our field crews going out, we specialize in helping small businesses, small fabrication shops, contractors, subcontractors, help them finish their jobs. Guys didn't show up. Uh, People not doing what they supposed to do. People messed up. They need it done correctly. Listen, you will always have that. And if you specialize in what you do, a person don't care if you purple. They can get the job done. You see what I'm saying? And me personally, that's why I call my members instead of employees. I don't want employees. To me personally, employee is just another word for slave, in my personal opinion. I don't like it. Don't like it. I don't want to. If you network with me, I don't want you to be stuck in a position. If you got the mind to grow bigger, get big, get the bag. I want to help you. Let's get some money together. But I don't want you stuck in a position where you can't grow. You know what I mean? So, to each his own. Everybody feel a certain way. But I was asked why I don't believe in having a job, and being independent. I think you don't have to have one. We got a job. Our job is to help other jobs, and provide a service to them jobs. That's my job, is to provide a service to them, even using myself personally, or providing a fabrication product, or providing the crew. You see what I'm saying? Or even doing well inspections. You see what I'm saying? Going through inspecting wells, making sure everything is done in the field structurally. That's money. You see what I'm saying? So there's many ways to network your skills as a welder, as a fabricator, as a contractor. So just think outside of the box, and like I say, to each his own. And like I said before, I like to say my style is a little unorthodox. The way I believe in things, the way I hustle is different. And I had a couple people hit me up, try to get information from me. Hey man, how you do this? How you do that? Bro, when it comes to welding tips and tricks and encouragement, I give you all that free because I want you to win. But it takes money to make money. You know what I mean? It takes money. Master P, one of my mentors, paid a lawyer 25,000 to give him an hour of his time to tell him what he needs to do, which was spend 200 more thousand to do what he wanted to do. But he didn't know that. So he had to pay for the information. So I have a consultation fee, and it's $150 to give you some game on how to start your independent business, how to make money independently, how to be at these jobs, how to do the things that you're asking me. Because if you asking me this and inboxing me this, that means you think and know that I know. But I'm not giving you that for free. You support everything else. Support your business. Put money in your business. I'm charging you $150. I done paid thousands of dollars for the game that I'm giving you for $150, So if you really want to grow, invest and we can grow together. But this game, it ain't for free. College ain't for free. People in debt till they die for that. And I'm giving you some game where you don't have to be in debt. You don't have to do that. But you're going to have to network with me. So don't have an issue looking at me, because sometimes I think it's people, he black, he gotta go. I don't know. Well, you watching me, you know I'm winning. I don't have a job. I'm not working. I'm not a slave. So I want to help you win, but I'm not going to give it to you. It takes money to make money. So if you want to make money with me, join the Hog Welding movement, because everybody who had paid me the 150, we in a movement together. As I grow, they grow. I keep the circle open. And most people don't do that. Once you spend your money, they done with you. You want to come back, you got to spend again. But the way I look at it, you mess with me, that show me that you mess with me. You might spend that 150 and later have an idea and say, hey, let's invest and do this. And I invest thousands in you and we get some money. I'm open with it. But show me that you're willing to network with me first. Hold on.